Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today I'm doing a walk around video on this super low kilometer, great value Mitsubishi Pajero Sport Exceed. Now starting at the front, I'm going to walk you through the full condition and some of the actual features. Not going to spend too long on the condition though, because as you can imagine on such low kilometers, it does present near new. So the front end of the new Pajero Sport does have that beautiful boxy looking front end. It is a lot tougher than the previous look. You've also got the glass covered badging right in the middle there, which does have a radar for your adaptive cruise. I'll go through all those systems later, but some of the other features on the front end here, you do get the front parking sonars. You've also got the front facing camera and these newly designed headlights with the incredible looking daytime running lamp in them are absolutely stunning. Now a new design in your fog light setup just here, you actually got an indicator fog light and a turning lamp, so it helps you see around corners when you are driving in the dark. Now the alloy wheels in the Pajero Sport do look absolutely stunning as well. That chrome face with the black backing makes it a really clean look, and it does look quite nice against that silver paintwork. Now the mirrors and door handles are chrome. It is a beautiful look, and you have got the indicator just built into the side mirror there. The side step down the bottom is going to help you get in and out of the vehicle as well, and the button on the door will actually lock and unlock your car, so it does have a proximity key. So when the car is unlocked, your mirrors do fold out, and when it is locked, they fold back in. Now on the inside, as you can see, interior condition also presents really well. So seat bolsters are in great condition, the leather is in good condition, and where people tend to get lazy and kick those doors open, once again, great condition there, so very well looked after, especially considering it is on such low kilometers. Now the back windows are privacy glass. Now what that is just a dyed glass. If you want the UV and heat reduction benefits of the tint plus the safety aspect of that, please do speak to us about it, because we do have some premium window tint options. Now that next wheel, once again, completely unmarked, beautiful design, great tread in the tires. On the back end of the vehicle, now as you can see, you do get the high mounted stoplight just in that glass there. You've also got the rear wiper, plus your rear parking sensors and the rear camera. Now that is an electric tailgate. You can either just press the button under here to open it, or it has got a sensor just near the parking sensors where if you were to wave your foot under it, it will open up the tailgate for you. The back end of the Pajero Sport being the 7-seater, you can just pull these seats up and drop the front part of it down. Very, very easy design to use, but when it is folded down, there is plenty of space in the back there as well. Now to close it back up, you can either press the left button to close the tailgate, or the right hand side button to close the tailgate and lock the vehicle. Or if you can't be bothered again, just simply wave your foot under the sensor and it will close it back up. Now being the Exceed model, there is a phone app that you can download that will pre-program your tailgate to open at certain times. It is an awesome option to explore, especially for ease of use. Now the fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, great to notice, and those wheels, once again, completely unmarked. Paintwork from front to back, very low kilometers, as I said, so I'm not going to spend too long on the condition. Does present like new, and that last and final wheel, once again, beautiful condition there as well. Now guys, considering how incredible the value on this vehicle is, something I'm going to have to discuss with you when you come in is the glass coat, because that will give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork. The other option is some accessories which are going to help you customize your vehicle exactly how you want it. So please have a look at our range of genuine accessories. Give us a call, discuss the glass coat, and we'll go through all that with you. But for now, what we're going to do is actually pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have here is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre turbo diesel engine. Same setup that you would find in the new range of Tritons, and it does have an 8-speed automatic gearbox as well. ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars, and it has got 7 airbags. So on top of looking incredible, it is a very, very safe SUV. Power output is 133 kilowatts with a torque rating of 430 Newton meters, so plenty of torque there if you did want to tow anything with it. It is a great tow vehicle as well. The diesel fuel tank holds 68 litres, giving you a combined fuel consumption of about 8 litres per 100, and an average fuel distance, depending obviously on your driving style and what you're towing, of about 850 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Pajero Sport now, on the driver's side door you do get all your power window controls. Now they are all automatic, and above that you've got your central locking and your window lock buttons. On the right hand side of the steering wheel here, you have got the toggle for your power mirrors, plus a button to let you fold them in. You've also got the engine start stop button there. You've also got a couple of extra safety buttons, so forward collision mitigation, parking sensors, and your stability control. So if you want any more information on the safety systems, please do ask us about it, because we will run through them in detail. On the right hand stalk here, you've got your indicators, fog lights, dusk sensing headlights, and your high beam controls. And on the left here, you've got all your washer and wiper controls. Now the wipers are also rain sensing, so they will just come on by themselves. Behind the wheel, you've got your paddle shifters if you did want to switch through your gears up and down and have the manual control. On the right hand side here, you've got all your cruise control and speed limiter functions. The cruise control, as I said, is adaptive, so you can actually set the distance. It will follow the car in front. You've also got the button there for your around view monitor, 360 camera, if you did need some extra assistance parking. Your hands-free functions are just down here. Left hand side, you've got all your media controls, and you've also got the menu functions for your beautiful LCD display just in your cluster, so you can switch through various display types, plus have a variety of information come up there. So if you wanted us to walk through all those functions and kind of show you what it looks like and how it works, we'll walk you through that when you come to have a look at the vehicle. Now in the center display, as you can see, I've already got the around view monitor up there. If you press that camera button again, we'll show you your front left wheel, so it'll help you with your parking. Now the right hand side is actually your front camera, so if you put it in reverse, you get your rear camera, and if you did have a tow bar attached, you can actually see your tow bar. So it is an awesome setup and makes it very easy to actually park this vehicle. Now, being the Exceed model, you do get inbuilt satellite navigation. However, if you did connect your phone with a USB cable, you actually get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've also got your standard radio functions on top of that. Down the bottom, dual zone climate control, meaning the passenger and driver can both have their own temperature, and you can also set the rear air conditioning from here as well. Down here, heated seats for the front occupants, so high and low for both of them. You've got a HDMI input, 2 USB ports, and your rear diff lock button just there as well, plus a 12-volt socket. Now that shifter, you can drive it as a standard auto or bump it to the left and switch through the gears manually, either with the shifter or the paddles behind the wheel. Back here, you've got your downhill descent control. You've also got the Super Select 2 4-wheel drive dial, so you can change your 4-wheel drive mode while you're driving. You've also got the terrain selector. You've got an electric park brake and auto hold functions there as well. Now in the cup holders, 2 nicely sized cup holders and a center console with a tray and plenty of storage if you did want to keep anything in there. Now guys, while we pan around the interior, I'm also going to tell you this vehicle does come with blind spot monitoring, so a little orange light in your mirrors if someone is in your blind spot. You've also got rear cross traffic alert and the lane change assist, so plenty of safety functionality in this vehicle, and it has been very well looked after, especially for such low kilometers. Now what we're going to do, guys, is actually jump outside and wrap up the video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of, once again, the stunning Pajero Sport. As you can see, it is in great condition. It is awesome value, so please do not take long making your decision, because it will not be here for very long. Now, as I said before, you need to ask us about the glass coat and how that's actually going to offer you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork. The other thing I'd highly recommend you speak to us about, which this car does qualify for, is the Platinum 1 program. Now, if this is a long-term investment that is going to give you an additional 5 years on your new car warranty, we'll cover you with $5,000 per claim, 10 years of premium roadside assistance, and much more. So if you want to know the full inclusions of that plan, do speak to us about it. But if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to tailor a package to suit your needs. They'll work in all those protective options in there for you and make the payments somewhere where you are comfortable with. So please explore our in-house finances if that is an option you are looking for. Now, just before I go, you need to also look at our Google reviews. We are sitting on 4.8 stars and over 1,000 reviews from customers all over the country. So it is a great way to know that you are dealing with the right people. We're going to look after you from start to finish, and you are buying a good quality vehicle as well. Hey guys, just before I go, the number to dial is 9907055. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.